So I wanted to show you guys real quick why we've been having chain issues. Aaron just saw this. The bolt's broken on the swing arm. So again, you'll save money buying a, you know, Chinese bike. But I can assure you, especially Alan's a big fan of this Chinese stuff, that wouldn't have happened on a Honda or a Yamaha or a Kawasaki, Suzuki, KTM, Husqvarna. Choice is yours, guys. I mean, you pay for what you get. It's a great little bike, gonna do what we need to, but yikes, it's a big bolt to just break like that. And it's not from us just wilding out. So anyway, let's get to work. All right, so here we are. After a teardown, it's sweating our butts off. Yeah. And y'all may have seen a naked baby, I'm not sure. If there is, Alan, please go ahead and just censor that. I mean, up to this point, it's probably censored anyway, so. Here it is. Not sitting in there.
It's done.
Boom, just like that. Now we just gotta put the axle on now. Everything is out. As y'all saw, we just disassembled this guy. And that's, in a nutshell, what's going on. The 110 motor inside the trike frame. We got to build some brackets. Like I said, there's obviously a little cosmetic stuff we got to take care of while the master fabricator slash mechanic gets going on that. There's little things that we can be doing too. So that's the good thing about this project so far, is that everyone could potentially stay busy.
Oh, yeah.
So,
it's fun for everybody.
Everyone gets a turn. Boy, it is freaking hot out here.
We lost our cloud cover.
Yeah. So,
a little sprinkle, and then it just got really.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, Texas. So now what we need to do is get a parts list, I guess, together, so Alan and I can get to ordering parts for this, because it's July right now, but the show that we're aiming to have this ready for is going to be in December. Shout out Turkey Drag. So we're trying to like get way ahead of the curve, which is unknown territory for.
Yeah, that's not something we normally do.
This is weird. Sweating now to enjoy it later.
Yeah.
When we're just used to sweating all the way up into the point of.
Yeah. Or 2 weeks before, or a week before. Not saying this won't come down to that. I'm not saying that it won't come down to that, but it might.
Excuse my smoker's laugh. I'm getting over the Cordingo. Just kidding. Something allergies. I don't know. Hopefully not.
Definitely not corona.
It's definitely not. No. But yeah. So here's where we're at. Like I said, now we just got to start doing some mock-up. Hey, if anybody needs a, you know, OEM motor for one of these trikes, message me.
Yeah.
Because it's going up for sale.
Yeah. Or an axle.
Hey, there's our buddy. Every time. Hey, guy.
Every time.
Every time. He knows we're working on like power sport stuff. He's got to swing through.
Yeah, you got to drive by. Every time.
So, yeah, we got to find a place to put the battery. Of course, which we told Aaron, it's getting whipped, so he's thrilled about that.
Yeah.
Probably some air horns like everything else. It's funny because as these projects go on, Jamie is starting to partake in the size. And it's by size, I mean, I'm not talking about size, I'm talking about size.
Yeah, she's got it down.
Yeah, she's like, she's starting to sigh for Aaron.
Yeah, she got the sigh by marriage. So.
As I'm loading Aaron, I'm like, oh, we'll do this, that, and you know, getting carried away. Like, and you know, he's kind of like, okay, you know, that's all right. In the background, she's.
I'm pretty sure you got the sigh for me because you created the sigh.
Ooh, some debate over this. Who owns the sigh? Oh, yeah, we just, you guys need to come with me. We're getting out of here. All right, so there's some. Anyway, so yeah, that's where we're at today. All right, guys, still tearing to the Rhino. He's got some goodies coming for the Terex.
Yeah.
Maybe. I'm starting to think that it's a lie.
They're gonna get here.
I think he's just joking around. Like, at first I was okay, that's cool, but anyway, yeah. We got other stuff that's probably gonna be mixed in because we still get 8 parts for this guy. But in the meantime, we'll see what happens. Let us know what you think we should do with the bike, other than this motor, because this motor's going in here. We're already dedicated to it.
Yeah, it's happening.
So, what do you think we should do? Like, should we do treaded tires? Should we do slicks? One whip, 2 whips, light bar? I mean,
8 fingers, drag bars,
yeah.
chopper style,
a bag shock on the back, so it.
bags.
Dude, put in the description. What do you think? What do
2
you want to see?
8-inch kicker speakers.
11s, bro. We're big
11.
time.
Kicker 11.
So
What are we gonna do?
So we can be louder than Alan's 4-wheeler.
Yeah.
What a kick in the nads that'd be.
We're just gonna make a trailer to pull behind it that's all stereo.
That's all
equipment.
speakers. Nothing but speakers. Trailer full of speakers. Anyway, if you made it this far, thanks for watching our shenanigans as always. Like I said, put in the comments what you think we should do next. We'd love to hear from you guys, especially on input and opinions that, you know, are respectful and not just talking smack. Anyway, hey guys, we'll see you on the next one.